All right, we're walking over to the job. We're gonna see what we gotta do here. All we know is that we gotta fill in a stucco crack. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the crack above the window we're gonna work on. Ooh, what do we have in here?
Storybox audio.
All right, we're walking over to the job. We're gonna see what we gotta do here. All we know is that we gotta fill in a stucco crack. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the crack above the window we're gonna work on. All right. Now we've taken a look at the job. Next step is to figure out what we need. All right, we're walking up to Alicia's garage. First thing she said, we need a ladder. Perfect. Only I could reach that high. Well, we're working on the ladder, and so as far as we got it so far, we're a little tight in here. We got our trusty DeWalt blower here we're gonna clean the cracks out with.
Terry, that ladder is really Storybox audio. Storybox audio.
All right, our job is finished. We got the crack filled in. We're gonna climb up the ladder to check out our work, and along the way, we found a little hole in the corner to explore. We saw a little bird fly in there, so we're gonna see what else is in there. Here we go. First, we'll look at our final job here, see if it passes inspection. You know, it looks pretty good. We got the crack filled in all the way. Should keep moisture out this winter, keep water from freezing in there and doing any damage. All right, let's see what's up in this little hole. Ooh, what do we have in here? A missing board. Oh, I can't quite see in there. I'm gonna have to get a flashlight. We're on the ladder right now, checking things out. I'm gonna get a light and try to see in that hole. All right, we got a fix for the hole. My sister gave me some blue rags. See, can you see? Oh yeah, nothing's getting in there now. No more critters, no more birds, no more squirrels. All right. Again, a final look at our job. It looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna climb down the ladder now and we'll start packing things up. All right, as we're packing up here, I just wanted to show you the exact gun we used, type of gun we used. See if we can read what kind of caulking it is. I'm gonna drop out here and flip it around. There we go, I flipped the caulking around. We can see exactly what kind it is now. Looks like it's Morflex, mortar and stucco repair. Yeah, it worked really good. I like this stuff.